settings after the unit is installed. Touch the Settings button on the bottom of the home screen. First, we will set the language for the touch panel and voice guidance. Touch the button for the desired language from the 8 language options. The preset language is English. A voice guidance message will be played in the set language.
The language has been set to English.
Return to the settings screen after language setup by touching the Back button in the upper right corner of the screen. Next, select the volume level. First, touch the Volume button on the settings screen. Select the volume level from 3 options: high, low, and off. Return to the settings screen after choosing the volume level. Next, select the screen brightness. First, touch the Brightness button on the settings screen. Select the desired brightness and touch the corresponding button. Return to the settings screen after choosing the screen brightness. Next, set the automatic power off timer. If the machine is not operated for a certain amount of time, the screen and the power will turn off. The preset off time is 1 minute.
Powering off.
The power will turn on again when you touch the screen or run water through the unit.
Powering on.
Touch the Sleep button on the settings screen to change the timer settings. Touch the desired time button. The auto power off timer will be set. Return to the settings screen. Finally, check the filter replacement interval. Use it as a rough guide for knowing when to replace your water filter. By touching the Filter Check button on the settings screen, the Filter Check screen will be displayed. The graduation marks on the left represent how much water has passed through the filter. Replace the filter after 6,000 liters. The graduation marks on the right represent how long the current filter has been used. Usually, a filter lasts about 1 year. When the marks increase and show the word Replace, it is time to replace the filter. We will show you how to replace the water filter later. When the filter check is complete, return to the settings screen. Now all the settings are finished.